Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tile floor cleaner machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a premium solution, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Shark Steam Mop S1000. This lightweight and compact steam mop is perfect for those who prefer chemical-free cleaning. Using only water, it delivers powerful steam to sanitize and remove dirt and grime from sealed hard floors such as tile, laminate, and hardwood. It's ready to go in just 30 seconds, making it an excellent choice for quick cleaning sessions. The design is sleek and highly maneuverable, thanks to its swivel steering. At just under 5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry around or store away. The 18-foot cord provides decent reach, though it may require outlet changes for larger spaces. The machine-washable dirt grit pads are a great value addition, allowing you to reuse them multiple times before needing a replacement. While it's perfect for everyday cleaning and light messes, the Shark Steam Mop may not be powerful enough for deep cleaning or tackling stubborn stains. Additionally, the water tank is relatively small, so you may need to refill it for larger cleaning jobs. Still, for those who want a hassle-free, eco-friendly solution at an affordable price, this steam mop is a solid choice. Pros include its lightweight design and chemical-free cleaning, while cons are its smaller water tank and limited deep cleaning power. At number 3, we have the Bissell Spin Wave Hard Floor Expert 2393, our budget pick. Priced at $113.29, this spin mop brings surprising power and convenience to those on a budget. It features 2 spinning mop pads that do the scrubbing for you, making it a lifesaver for anyone tired of manual mopping. With its on-demand spray feature, you can apply cleaning solution precisely where you need it, ensuring efficient and targeted cleaning. The design is lightweight and easy to maneuver, with swivel steering that makes it simple to clean around furniture and baseboards. It's safe for sealed hard floors, including tile, linoleum, and hardwood, and it comes with 6 reusable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions, which is excellent value for the price. The build quality is solid, though the lightweight design may not feel as premium as higher-end models. The Spinwave is best suited for everyday cleaning and light messes. While it may struggle with heavy-duty stains or sticky residues, it's hard to beat its combination of convenience and affordability. Pros include its budget-friendly price, reusable mop pads, and ease of use, while cons are its limited cleaning power for tougher jobs and its corded design, which may be less convenient for some users. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Bissell Spinwave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Combining the power of steam cleaning with rotating mop pads, this model delivers a thorough and efficient clean. It features an intelligent LED display that shows cleaning modes, steam readiness, and more, giving you complete control over your cleaning experience. The fingertip controls allow you to adjust the steam level or switch to no steam mode, depending on your floor type. The Smart Steam is designed for versatility, with a swivel head and LED headlights that help you target dirt in hard-to-reach areas, like under furniture. It's lightweight at 7 pounds and includes a 0.5-liter water tank, which is sufficient for most cleaning tasks. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're helping a good cause while keeping your floors spotless. Despite its innovative features, the Smart Steam doesn't come with reusable mop pads, and its water tank could be larger for extended cleaning sessions. It's an excellent choice for those who want a reliable steam mop with advanced features, but it may not be ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Pros include its intelligent controls, dual cleaning modes, and swivel design, while cons are its smaller water tank and lack of reusable pads. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro, the ultimate all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. Priced at $199.99, this is the premium option on our list, but it delivers unmatched versatility and performance. The Crosswave Pet Pro can vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Its pet-focused design includes a tangle-free brush and specialized pet cleaning solution, making it perfect for households with furry friends. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. It's safe for all hard floors, including wood, tile, and laminate, and even works on area rugs. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy design that feels durable and reliable. At 11 pounds, it's heavier than some other options, but the ergonomic handle and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver. The Crosswave Pet Pro shines in its ability to handle tough messes, pet hair, and odors, but its higher price point may be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, it requires some maintenance, such as cleaning the brush roll and tanks after each use. However, for those looking for a premium solution that combines vacuuming and mopping, this is the one to beat. Pros include its dual functionality, pet-friendly design, and high performance, while cons are its higher price and maintenance requirements. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.